Hello guys, welcome back to the JavaScript course. In the previous video, we learned variables in JavaScript. Now in this video, we are going to learn data types. First of all, we learn what is data type. Data type means what kind of value stored inside a variable. Like this is one data type. Here, name stores text, age store number. Both are different data type. That is why JavaScript has data type. First of all, we learn. Now let's understand the first and most important JavaScript data type, that is string data type. First of all, we learn what is string. String means text data. Anything written inside code is called string JavaScript. String in JavaScript. For example, these are all the string data type because of it is inside the code. See another example. Here let is used to create variable. Username is variable name. Akil is a string value because the text is written inside double quotes. Why strings is important? Strings are used everywhere in real applications. Example, usernames, password messages, chat messages, emails, cities, product names, website text. Almost every website use strings. Strings using single quotes, double quotes. In JavaScript, we can use double quotes, single quotes, both work correct, and another also backtick. These are a backtick. Backticks are mostly used in template literals, multi-line strings, dynamic values. For example, see this example. First one is number data type. Second one is string data type. Because text inside the quotes. So this is the difference between number data type and text data, string data type. Now we are learn number data type. What is number data type? Number data type is used to store numeric values. Examples: age, marks, mobile prices, temperatures, salary percentage. All these are numbers. Here let create variable. Age is variable name. 22 is number data type because it's numeric value. Number should not be inside code. JavaScript also support decimal numbers. JavaScript also support decimal numbers. We can use data types for calculation. Now let's understand Boolean data type. Now we are going to learn Boolean data type in JavaScript. First of all, we learn what is Boolean. Boolean data type is contains only two values, either true or false. Boolean is mainly used for decision making, conditions, login system, checking values, validations. Now see this example. Here is student is variable name, true is Boolean value. Remember, Boolean value should not be inside code. In the next, we are learning to undefined data types in JavaScript. What is undefined? Undefined means a variable is created but value is not assigned. In this example, there is no value variable name. In this example, not assigned any value. not assigned any value. This is undefined. Here variable is created but no value is given. So JavaScript automatically. So now the see this in console. Undefined. Next we are going to learn null data type. Null data type in JavaScript. Null means intentionally empty value. It means currently there is no value. Here variable exists but developer intentionally assign the empty value, that is empty value in null. Now we are going to learn one of the most important topic in JavaScript, array data type. First of all, we learn what is array. Array is used to store multiple values inside a single variable. Why array is important? Imagine storing 100 numbers. Without array we can write code like this. This is become difficult. Instead we use array. This is the we use array in single array. We can store many values, many student information. So this is the reason we can use array. See this example. Here square brackets created array. Value are separated using commas. Array stores multiple values together. JavaScript arrays can store different data types together. Every array value has position number. That position is called index, like 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Index always start from 0 in JavaScript. Finally, array means multiple values inside one variable. Now we are going to learn another very important topic is object data type in JavaScript. First of all, we learn what is object. Object is used to store related data together in one value page, key value page. Simple real life example. Imagine student details, name, age, city, marks all belong to one student. Instead of creating many separate variables, we store everything in one object. See this example. Here curly braces create object. Name, age, city are keys. Or Akhil name, Akhil 22 Hyderabad are values. These are called key value pair. For example, we can take another example. See this example. Object can store string. Objects can store strings, numbers, boolean, array. Even the objects inside the one object is we call nested object. Alright guys, today we learn strings, numbers, boolean, undefined, null, array, object, and also type of operator. Practice these examples regularly. In the next video we will learn JavaScript operators step by step. Thanks for watching.